on the amazing world of Gumball. When it comes to making decisions, Darwin is not the best.
You know how bad I am at making decisions.
So he's looking for a little help.
From now on, I'm gonna get my advice from someone else.
But some decisions can have big consequences.
Oh no, what do I do?
And those can be really big.
I can't stop!
Huh?
Help! Help!
It's all part of 2 new episodes of The Amazing World of Gumball, Monday at 7 on your Cartoon Network. So how does a kid like Ben spend his summer vacation? He goes on world tour.
Let's go! I come all the way to France, and you still managed to find me.
That's more decibel. We gotta do something.
No matter where in the world Ben goes,
Ha Legrand's.
What are you doing in China?
adventure follows.
People of London, your bell is fixed.
It's the Ben 10 World Tour with all new episodes starting in 2 weeks on your Cartoon Network. Please adjust your TV now.
MMA Challenger fight!
Thank you. Next on Gumball.
Gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs. Gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal. Seeing everything, the time is going, ticking on and on. Everybody's rushing. Gotta get down to the bus stop. Gotta catch my bus. I see my friends kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend. Friday, Friday. Getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, 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 partying. Fun, 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 fun. Looking forward to the weekend. 7:45, we're driving on the highway, cruising so fast, I want time to fly. Fun, fun, think about fun. You know what it is. I got this, you got this. My friend is by my right. Hey, I got this, you got this. Now you know it. Kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend. Friday, Friday. Getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, 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 partying. Fun, 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 fun. Looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday, Thursday. Today it is Friday, Friday. We so excited. We so excited. We gonna have a ball today. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday comes afterwards. I don't want this weekend to end.
R&B, Rebecca Black. So chillin' in the front side, in the backseat. I'm driving, cruising, fast lanes, switching lanes with a car by my side. Passing by, it's a school bus in front of me. Makes tick tock, wanna stream. Check my time, it's Friday, it's a weekend. We gonna have fun. Come on, y'all.
Friday.